Hello visual storytellers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of infographics and how to create stunning visuals that convey complex information in a simple and engaging way. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials and design tips. Are you ready to transform data into captivating visuals? Let's get started with infographics creation using Canva. Infographics are a powerful tool for presenting information visually. They combine data, charts, and graphics to make complex concepts easy to understand and remember. Before we dive into designing, plan your infographics, structure, and content. Determine the key message you want to convey and the data you'll be showcasing. Canva offers a wide range of infographic templates to jumpstart your design process. Choose one that aligns with your content and message. Make the infographic your own by adding your brand colors, fonts, and logo. This ensures consistency with your overall branding. Present your data in a clear and organized manner. Use charts, graphs, and icons to visually represent the information. Visual hierarchy guides the viewer's eye through the infographics. Use size, color, and positioning to emphasize the important points. Ensure your text is easily readable by using a legible font size and contrast. Avoid overwhelming the viewer with too much information. Icons and illustrations add context and visual interest to your infographics. Select visuals that complement your data and enhance the narrative. Review your infographic for accuracy and clarity. Seek feedback from others to refine your design before finalizing it. Congrats, you've now learned how to create compelling infographics using Canva. Now you can visually tell stories, share knowledge, and engage with your audience with data-driven visuals. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other visual storytellers. And don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tutorials and design inspiration. Keep creating, keep designing, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.